Hello, my name is Diana Noriega Riascos. I live Proteja Cauca. I am a student at Nacional y Abierta de Estancia. You will see 8 sentences. You have 10 seconds to read and record 8 sentences. Over 400 people resident our library last month. Staff and the sports center are not available between 3 and 4 p.m. Candidates should select on question only from each topic are a new student has to be registered with Mr. Class by the end on Friday. Provientan al equipment has be collected and stored. Student may leave the classroom. When types on company, the majority of the students in after finish their break. The sentence some initial misgiving the new laboratory has proven either to be an essential facility. Environment grid and continual use of private vehicles with resident con air pollution. Environment and the continuous use of private vehicles with resident in working air pollution. Thank you. Goodbye.